Thong Nokbe. Thong was a legendary KARBI Nokbe or warrior of the Teron clan. His name still evokes great respect for his exploits in the bygone days. Many relics of the era of the great warrior hero Thong Nokbe can be found in West Karbi Anglong. This is Okkecham Alongjong, which means Valley of the Fresh Fish. A marketplace during the days of Thong Nokbe. The stone sea which one can see today is said to have been the very same sea on which Thong Nokbe used to sit upon, discussing various issues with his friends and other villagers. This is another marketplace during the time of Thong Nokbe. The place is still well preserved by the local people, situated at Nongjirong near Khanduli. About 30 meters from this market, a stone sea measuring approximately 6 feet can be seen. It is believed to be the well seat of Thong Nokbe at Nongjirong, about 15 kilometers from Khanduli. This relic of a stone sea is situated at Umchira. Now only the backrest of the sea is visible, as it is partially buried by earth during construction of the metal road. This is also said to be a relic of a seat of Thong Nokbe, measuring about 18 feet in height, where he rested while travelling from Jisarpo near Koka to Jantapur. This is Langtuk Thepi, which literally means big well, a pond dug out for Chomkan, the KARBI ritual for the dead, where it was partially performed. This particular Langtuk or pond was dug out by Thong Nokbe with the help of just his nok or sword for the Chomkan of his brother-in-law Har Ronghang. These rocks are the relics of Thong Nokbe's Longthu, which means traditional tripod, over which he cooked his meals. While the smaller Longthu is that of his sister Ringthamas, where she is said to have prepared rice beer for the Chomkan of her husband Har Ronghang. This rock with well-placed holes is known as Thong Apung Ut or Thong's trumpet. When danger is imminent, it is said that Thong would go to this particular rock and blow into these holes, warning the villagers of threats. This stone with the top chopped off is an evidence of the might of Thong Nokbe. It is said that there was another non-KARBI Nokbe at Khilani. Thong Nokbe went to confront him, and legend has it that by way of testing his strength, he chopped off the tip of the stone, and with one stroke, which foretold his victory over the Khilani Nokbe. This rock is known as Arlong Chordak, which literally means hacked rock. It is said that Thong Nokbe struck the rock into two halves with one stroke of his sword, as it was a barrier on his pathway. This huge ring is said to be the ring worn by Thong Nokbe on his little left finger. Thong Nokbe, as described in folk songs and tales, was mighty, strong and gigantic to fit the huge ring. It is still in possession of a Teron family in Rongkhang. This monolith was erected by Thong Nokbe after his victory over his Khilani opponent. The area since then is named after this monolith, that is Long AP, which literally means big stone.